Fine, let us start solving problem number 26 here. Right, a rectangular grassy lawn measuring 48 meter by 35 meter is to be surrounded externally by a path which is 2.5 meter wide. Find the cost of leveling the path at the rate of 4 rupees 50 paisa per square meter. So we are supposed to find the cost of leveling this path, right? So let us start working on it. Right, first of all, see, we are supposed to find the area of ABCD. This is the area of ABCD, and then area of this, what is this, KLMN. If you subtract those two areas, we are going to get this area, right? That is the area of path. Let us start finding the area of KLMN, which they have given, that is 48 meter into 35 meter, that is 48 into 35. So that is area is nothing but length into breadth, right? So now multiply it. 5 8s are 44 carry, right? 5 4s are 20 plus 4 24, right? 8 3s are 24 4 2 carry, so 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. The answer what we are going to get is 4 plus 4 is 8, 4 plus 2 6,680 meter square is the area of KLMN. Now similarly, let us find the area of ABCD. Area of ABCD is nothing but what? So they have given here 48. So from here to here it is 2.5 and here to here it is 2.5. This is nothing but 48 plus 5 into 35 plus 5. Correct? Right. Here it is 2.5 and here it is 2.5. That you need to add. So now you are going to get 48 plus 5 is 53 into 40. Now multiply it. 0, 4 3s are 12, 1 carry, 4 5s are 20 plus 1 21. So the area of ABCD is 2120 meter square. Now area of the path is equal to area of ABCD minus area of KLMN, right? Now area of ABCD is how much? That is 2120 minus area of KLMN is 1680. Subtracted here 0. 2 minus 8 is not possible, take a carry, 12 minus 8 is 4, 12 minus 8 is 4, now this will become 20, 20 minus 16 is 4, this is the area of the path is 440 meter square. Now we are supposed to find the cost of leveling the path. They have given per square centimeters, per square meter is 4 rupees 50 paisa. So we have 440 meter square, that is area into 4 rupees 50 paisa. Multiply it. 5 0s are 0, 5 4s are 20, 0, 2 carry, 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. Right now 4 0s are 0, 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 4s are 16 plus 2, 18. See, let me check out one second. 5 0s are 0, 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. 4 0s are 0, 4 4s are 16, 6, 1 carry. So 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. This is 17. Let us check out this. 0, 0, 6 plus 2, 8, 7 plus 2 is 9 and 1. So after here we are supposed to place the decimal, right, point here. So one digit is there after decimal point, so that's what 1 digit after the decimal point I need to keep. So the answer is 1980 rupees. This is the cost of leveling path of 440 square meter area at the rate of 4.5 per square meter is 1980. That is the answer is 1980.